Hello, madam.
Yes, it
Can you
is
hear
audible
me?
now. Yeah, now we can.
Actually, madam, this is a month ending. My internet quota is almost over. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So there
Okay.
is a
Now,
it is a BSNL high speed internet facility. They
okay,
give
sir.
a minimum number of day this one.
Sir, with your
Okay.
permission, I will invite the chairperson of this session to start the session, sir.
Yes, yes. Go ahead, madam. Go ahead.
So we are very happy to invite the resource person, Dr. T. Anand, Scientist E, Defense Research Laboratory, Mysore, to deliver a talk on preparation of research projects for both students and faculty for various funding agencies. And to chair this session, I request Dr. Y. Rajashekar, Department of Commerce, to come onto the dais to chair this session. We welcome you, sir, and thank you very much. And I also request Dr. Muhammad Bakshu, the research coordinator of this institution, Department of Botany, to come on to the dais to act as reporter. We welcome you, sir. Now I request the chairperson of this session, Dr. Y. Rajashekar Garu, to continue the proceedings, please.
Hello. Good afternoon to all the offline online participants. Today, it is my immense pleasure to invite Dr. T. Anand Garu, Scientist E, Nutrition, Biochemistry and Toxicology Division, Defense Food Research and Laboratory, Mysore, as a research person for this afternoon section. He is the alumnus of PVK Government College, Chittor. He completed his graduation BSc in the academic year 1986 to 1989. He pursued his MSc Virology, SV University, Tirupati, and then he completed a PhD in the microbiology from Osmania University, Hyderabad. He published 42 articles in national and international journals repute. He also presented papers in national and international conferences and seminars. He is the visiting research scholar in the year 2001 to 2003 in the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering and Polytechnic institutions in USA. He worked as a research association Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology in Hyderabad from 2003 to 2004. He worked as a scientist in various research laboratories in Mysore. He was awarded PhD fellowship from UGC New Delhi from 1995 to 2001, and he qualified graduate aptitude test in engineering 67 percentile. I thank my principal, Dr. G. Anand Reddy Garu, for giving me these opportunities to introduce resource person. To introduce resource person. Now I invite the resource person to start his section. Thank you, one and all.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir. Continue, sir.
Yeah. Can you hear us?
Afternoon section. Continue, sir. Thank you, sir.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear, sir. Please, sir. Please continue.
Yes, sir. Please continue. Yes, sir. Please continue, sir.
Sir, it is audible. You can proceed for your presentation. Thank you, sir.
Could not prepare any slides or something, but it is like an interactive session. you can interact and you can stop me in between. I'll just start working on that, how to write a proposal. What is the areas of research? So being a autonomous degree college, I don't think you will have a much facilities, laboratory facilities to execute PhDs or MPhils. But still, there is a chance of improving your college by writing some proposals to get a funding from other funding agencies like DBT, DST, CSR, UGC, ICMR, DRDO, like that. So first of all, just anybody can interact. What is a research project? If somebody can give answer, I will just extend how to go about it. It is a purely interactive session. If somebody can answer my question, I can give a more detailed information. What is a research proposal? Let somebody give answer. Let somebody give answer to my question. What is research proposal? What are the components should be there in the research proposal to submit to the funding organization?
So on behalf of our participants, if you let me, I will just explain briefly. If it is wrong,
Please,
you can
sir,
pardon
please.
me. And so a
No,
research
no,
project.
no, there is nothing wrong, right? To write a proposal, there are certain guidelines.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, please, whatever you know, you just give me. I will extend that one.
Yes, first of all, we have to confine a problem which is very reliable for society. At the same time, we have to have a comprehensive idea about the research methodology, aims, then what is the outcome. Based on this research methodology, we have to select the some methods and materials. Finally, we have to give some experimental data or evidences for this project work, and we have to conclude with the some reliable decisions which will be useful for the society and for the certain problem solution for the problem what we have started with this one. So which may be having some application for the human society. That is our summary for the research project work.
Yeah, exactly, sir. The outline is correct. The outline is correct. What you told, that is the project proposal one should have. But again, when you write a proposal, the funding agency will ask you again to come and give a presentation if the project is shortlisted. So before shortlisting, when you write a proposal, the objectives should be very clear. And what are the equipment you have? They will ask. Or in addition to your proposal, you yourself have to give a list of equipment. What is your expertise? How many publications you have made previously before submitting the project? Say for example, botany department or zoology department is writing a project. They will see what is the novelty in this. So with the limited facilities, how you will say novelty? What is novelty? Now the next question is novelty.
Sir,
Next
No-
question is what is novelty in your proposal, not in general.
no, sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Novelty in the sense, the project has its own uniqueness.
Yes. Give
That
an
means,
example. Give an example.
For example, Chittoor. Chittoor is very prone to very many small scale and large scale industries. Like it is surrounded by many industries. How these industries are directly or indirectly affect on the what is called the flora and fauna. That is one of the aspect. As a biologist, I would.
Yeah, I wanted biology projects only. Hello?
The commerce and management, they can also go through the accounts and the manpower requirement and what are the sources. These are some of the areas. And the most important, what I think, before going to any proposal, we have to have a review of literature. This is very important. And your background, rightly you are told that, sir, your background of that research, that is also very important.
So before sending a proposal to your organization, funding organization, there should be a small review committee with some experts. Your proposal should be reviewed by internal committee.
Yes, sir.
Whether this work is continued in your college, number one. Number two, they will give some advices to modify the proposal before finalizing into the funding organization. There should be some internal committee where the principal investigator will present the project so that somebody will give some advices to improve the project proposal. Or some facility is there with some other department. It
Excuse
can
me,
be
sir.
utilized. Yes.
Sir, can I answer you, sir?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. In our college, more than 15 members completed some minor research projects. For that, we have
Yes.
applied for UGC CERO, and
Okay.
we have an internal committee for the review of project works, and they submitted through proper channel, and they obtained with the permission of UGC. They have obtained the funding. They are given for 2 years, and they have successfully completed. They submitted the project work. So in this scenario, we have some little project work submitted for various funding agencies also. Nowadays, we are submitting to the different funding agencies, but not able to hear the positive responses from the national level. So in
That
this
is what-
scenario, we require some suggestions
Yes.
to apply for the high level and high quality project works.
Yeah. Now, what are the departments you have individually got the funding? Now, who are all got from which department? Physics department, chemistry department, botany. Which department got different projects?
Sir, Department of Botany, Department of Zoology, Physics, Chemistry, almost all departments have got
All
projects, sir.
department got small projects. All department got small projects. Why don't you
And
write a
some
big
department, the
proposal?
Department of Zoology and Botany also applied for major projects, sir. But it has gone accepted up to interview level, and finally what they said is they rejected because they're not confident enough for the infrastructure what we have in our institution. That is
Yes,
the
madam,
criteria
that is
for
what.
rejection, which we really
That
felt
is what
very
I am
bad.
coming to. That is what I am coming to. Instead of projecting this equipment is in a botany department, this equipment is in zoology department, why don't you make a list of equipment which is available inside the college? When you are writing a proposal, asking for a new equipment, you have to give a list of old equipment which is available facility in the college itself, so that the funding reviewer, the project, once you submit it to
Sir,
the
we have
funding
actually
agency-
submitted the list of equipment that what we have got also, and the resources which we can get from nearby institution like Vellore, sir, VIT Vellore, it has all the science equipments, including electronic microscope. So we have given that also. And hiring
then
under hiring
what
services.
was the no then see, if you have given everything, then there is a possibility that your project is not very useful. There are two ways of rejection. One is that the proposal what you have submitted to a funding organization, they will forward to the reviewer like me. I will go through the project. What is the feasibility and what will be the outcome? So I will give my recommendation. This project proposal is having these are the drawbacks, and this has to be improved. Otherwise, it will be straight away rejected that this project is not feasible to execute with the existing facilities in that college. So that is how they reject it. So what I could guess from you that whatever the equipment you have given, in addition to that, you have created some more facilities outside, but still the committee is not convinced. Means that the scientific strength in that project is not very good. You have equipment, you have a capability, but the outcome of the proposal, what you have proposed is not having scientific merit. Can you just name the project title, madam? Now, let me tell you. Whatever the proposal you got rejected, can you just name the title?
Sir, if the strength of the proposal is not good, it will be rejected in the first round itself,
No,
sir.
madam. No. Please read out. Please read out the project title.
Purushottam
Please
sir
read out
annaru.
the. No problem. Take your own time. Please read out what is the proposal you have put up for that.
Sir, we have submitted a project work to the DST by the title Effect of the Centella Asiatica on Light-Induced Effect in Albino Rats.
Okay. What is the outcome? What is Centella Asiatica?
So Centella Asiatica means it is a leaf which is decrease the stress in the students and also increasing the
Okay.
memory. Increasing the memory. So here, actually, previously, after the discovering of the electricity, the exposing to the light is much more increased. So, and also light induced stress is more. So because of fluorescent light is there. So like these stresses generates free radicals, it is which is harmful to the our vital organ systems in our body. So in this purview, we have applied that Central Asia in Ayush department is also suggesting that Saraswati Aku, it is increasing the memory in the students. Like that, in this context, we have applied. So up to the genome level, we have effects we need to access.
Yes, sir. So this work so far nobody has proved that light intensity is having an effect.
It is Nagarman, sir. Nobody did not done.
But have you seen my paper on Centella Asiatica that improves the physical performance? I have published a paper on Centella Asiatica, which will improve the physical performance. Now it is available online. It is available online. I have tested in the rats. Okay. So some of the plants which you pick up, that should have a commercial value. Now, whatever the research you are doing, since this plant is having a bitter taste, the outcome will become very minimum. If somebody can search on the net, Centella Asiatica fatigue, FATAGUA, fatigue. You will get my paper now itself.
Excuse me, sir.
It is available online. Centella Asiatica on physical performance.
So it is
On physical performance.
What proposal?
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Centella Asiatica is nothing but Brahmi, what we call in Ayurvedic medicine.
No, there are two Brahmis. One is Centella Asiatica, another one is Bacopa monera.
Bacopa monera is there. So
yes.
Bacopa. So both plants.
So that Bacopa monera, I myself have published it from DFRL Mysore more than 10 papers.
Yes.
More than
it
10
is improving,
papers.
Yes, it improves the memory and some nerve.
No, it will not improve the memory. It is a wrong concept. It will not improve the memory. It will stabilize the memory. It will stabilize your memory. Why? Because let me give you an example. If the person is mentally disabled and you give a Brahmi drink or Brahmi plant, he will not become normal. The person is having stress. Mental stress will come back to normal at a certain level, not completely. So people are having a wrong notion on Brahmi. Suppose a mentally retarded fellow is given Brahmi, he will never come back to normal.
So his
That is how
parameter is,
people have a misinterpretation and memory. Memory is entirely different from mental stress. Okay. Now that Scintilla asiatica, you are showing that this photo, like a light stress is a very serious problem.
LED. Especially in LED bulbs they have
LED
selected.
bulbs. Like
Yeah,
what are
that
the
parameter has not conducted by previous workers. That's why I have
correct,
selected. sir.
correct. Yes.
So,
So that one
that
single
was-
parameter, single outcome for more than
Is,
10 lakhs rupees, more than 10 lakh rupees is very minimum outcome. In addition to that, you could have made commitment of preparing some food product or something like a tablet, capsule kind of thing. Okay, sir. So what is the deliverables you have focused on that project? What is the deliverables you have proposed in this project? Now you said that LED light is showing stress and because of scintilla it will be coming down. What is the deliverable or outcome you have proposed in the project?
Sir, it reduces the free radical which is generated.
Sir, I understand, sir. I understand. What is the deliverable you have proposed in your project?
So I did not understand what you are asking. What is deliverable like that?
No. See, let me tell you. When you are writing a project title, project objectives, methodology, how you are going to execute that work. Okay. Conclusion. What is the outcome of your research? Are you going to publish a data? Are you going to propose a mechanism? Are you going to make a product? Are you going to make a food product, consumable product?
Publish
Like
results.
that? No, that's what. See, publishing result is like already this plant is having a lot of health benefits. Okay. Now you are going to add one more property to that, anti-stress. There are so many stress, light stress and sound pollution, noise pollution, smoke test, so many things you will do it. In addition to that, you are going to add and you publish one paper. So that outcome is not the measurable outcome. That is why your project is not sanctioned, rejected. Okay, any other example? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir, another project is cytotoxic and genotoxic effects of in vitro and in vivo generated nanoparticles on Solanum viarum, sir. Generated from
Okay.
green synthesis of. Actually, I have done my PhD in
No,
this. and
that, what is the plant, madam? What is the plant? Solanum?
Viarum. Belongs to the family Solanaceae. And
What
I
is
have
what is
applied
the health
for
benefit?
patents also. Sir, there are
Madam, what
about
is the health benefit of that plant?
What, sir?
What is the health benefit of that plant? Why you are using
Sir,
that
anti-cancer
Solanum
drug,
plant?
anti-cancerous, sir. Actually, I have tested for diabetes on rats and inflammation also on rats, sir. And I have submitted for 3 patents also. They're in the final stage, and I have submitted the biodiversity certificate now. So,
Madam,
3 years
madam,
back,
you
I
are
have
using.
applied for
Yeah.
patents, and now I wanted to test that anti-cancer activity in both in vitro and in vivo conditions, sir.
Do you have animal house, madam, to conduct the experiment in rats or mice?
Sir, for that I have taking help of YV University, Professor Dakshayani sir is in the Department of Genetics. She has that, sir. So she is the
Okay, madam. She is co-PA. Dakshani is
Yes,
co-PA.
sir. Co-PO, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay. Now, what is your approach of preparing nanoparticles? How you are preparing?
Green synthesis, sir. Green synthesis, and I've got the minimum size as 0.06 nanometers, which I have applied for patent also, sir.
Madam, is it a 60 nanometers?
0.6. The minimum
You tell
and
me in
1 to
nanometers, nanometer
it's up
size.
to maximum size in vitro. I got, sir. In vivo raised plants, it is up to 20 to 40 nanometer size, sir.
Okay, madam. Now, less than 50 nanometer size, any particle will be accumulating inside the cell. It is called
So
cell
for
deposition.
that also we have studied histological studies both in liver and kidneys of in vitro raised rats, sir. So in
Yes,
that
madam.
also we did not find anything of storage of
No,
nanoparticles or anything. Mapping also we have done. We found no results also. It was nowhere stored in the body of the
no
rats.
stored in the body. So, which is the material like a nanoparticle you have prepared?
Silver
Is it
nanoparticles,
a
sir.
silver
Nitrate we
nanoparticle?
have used to reduce that particles.
Okay, that's below 50 nanometers. Have you checked in transmission electron microscopy to see the particle deposition?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have submitted everything, sir.
No, madam. No. Please listen. Please listen.
Sir, we have
Like
tested, sir, in
histology.
Vellore. We have tested in
Histology.
Vellore Institute
Madam,
of Technology. We have made use of their resources, and
Madam,
we
please
have
listen.
tested.
Please listen. Please listen. Now you have taken a tissue of the histology and evaluated that there is no toxicity.
Yes, sir.
But have you checked the section of your tissue in the under electron microscope to see the nanoparticle?
Sir, kidney and liver we have tested, sir.
Tested for
Microtomy we
what?
have taken, tested in under electron for depositions of silver nanoparticles, sir.
Under
In order
electron
to study the
microscope.
side effects of it.
Not
So
side
once
effects, madam. Madam, please.
when we studied the diabetes up to 12 hours, it was able to sustain the glucose levels, sir. So next thing what we have done is we have tested for the side effects to see any deposits are there in liver and kidneys. So we have studied
Madam,
the histological studies
madam,
of it, and there was no deposits also. So we thought of extending the project.
Correct, madam. Have you checked your tissue sections under electron microscope?
Yes, sir, under electron microscopes reports only, sir.
Okay.
VIT
Now,
Vellore resources we have
yeah.
made use, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, no problem. I am not denying that. I am not doubting on your integrity of the quality of work. Only thing is that when you are projecting the proposal, this information, whatever the information you have generated, that should go along with your new proposal. Okay.
Yes, sir. We have carried that to the new proposal with the suggestions of some of
That
the.
hard copy, that photographs also you could have incorporated in the proposal that this already work is done and future work required funding. Why? Because when you are submitting a proposal, it will come to me in a booklet format. You will be writing some material without any documented proof or publication. If you have a patented already, that patent number or first page of patent
Yeah, I
also.
mentioned the patent numbers too, sir, but without getting patents, since I should not publish, it is not published. That paper is not.
No. Don't disclose too much of details before you get a patent. I'm not telling that way. The
Yeah,
first
yeah, I
page
have
of
not
your
published.
title. No. First page of your patent copy. Like whatever you are claiming, that the first page you could have gone along with the proposal as a supporting document.
Yeah, I think so, sir. Maybe we should
No,
have
why?
done that.
Because even I also do patenting. that the patent first page, you don't give your technical details in that one, since it is not granted. The patent filed information first page, cover page you would have gone along with the proposal. See, your project proposal may be maximum 30 to 40 pages, madam. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
30, 40 pages, how much maximum material you can give it to the reviewer? That only makes a difference. First thing, as soon as they see your proposal, they think that, oh, this is a degree college. How much facilities you have? Like that, they will have a negative thinking. To overcome that one, your proposal should have all kinds of information. Some photographs, some equipment photograph also, a list of equipment. signed by
That
your
I have
principal.
posted, sir, photographs of equipment, what we have, and photograph these hiring services nearby institutions, what they have. I have posted, sir, everything. I made from graphical
Madam, no
representations
matter.
also.
No matter if that proposal is declined or rejected, science is a vast, science is a ocean. You go with some other proposal.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
There is a DST, DBT, giant program, FIST and other things. Okay. So those things you start again freshly with a new case. Suppose if this nanoparticle synthesis, now again it has become like a routine for everybody. Since 20 years, started with carbon nanoparticles, now silver nanoparticles. Okay. Instead, you can change the proposal to a antibacterial or antifungal. The same proposal instead of anti-cancer.
Sir, I have done antibacterial activities already, sir. I have mentioned all those in that proposal.
Madam,
Antibacterial.
yes, now since you have a particles in your hand, why don't
Yes,
you
sir.
make a patches? Why don't you make a patch and see the effect of this your nanoparticle? Now further step I am now I am putting another step ahead. Next level, next higher level. Now you have nanoparticles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Johnson baby bands are there, no? Johnson bands, which are wherever we get a wound, Okay. Now we are purchasing the 2 rupees band and we are pasting on that one, right?
I didn't get,
Got
sir,
it,
what
madam.
you said. Sir, you
Madam,
want
this,
me to test on
Band-Aid,
some other
Band-Aid.
cancer plants?
No, cancer. You just leave the proposal of cancer. Now band-aid. Band-aids are there, no? 2 rupees, 1 rupee band. Suppose you get any small injury, you put a band, right? That is called
Okay,
band-aids.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Why
Yeah,
don't you
I
try
got your point,
similar with your nanoparticles and some antibiotics included that. You tie up with a
Okay, sir.
college, nearby hospital.
Yes, sir. I'll definitely
Did you
mail
get
you,
that
sir,
idea?
and take your suggestions, please, sir.
No. Did you get that idea? Nanoparticles, you are telling it is anti-cancer.
Yes,
So
sir. That's it has a
silver
drug called
nanoparticle-
Solsadine, sir, which is anti-cancer by nature.
Correct, madam.
That plant has drug Solsadine, anti-cancer by nature. Since we didn't have any laboratory facilities for testing that anti-cancer activity, so I went for this inflammation and diabetic test, sir. We have tissue culture lab and we raise plants in that and we have tested. So in order to build that laboratory, I wanted to extend that proposal, sir.
Correct, madam. I am not denying. Like last time also, I spoke to your higher education secretary. See, I am. You know that I am a governing body council member. Last meeting, I have raised this point to help your college.
Yes,
to
sir. In the
improve
GB meeting,
infrastructure.
sir. Yes, sir. We do remember, please.
Yes. So I raised this point to include your some of your infrastructure point and
Yes, sir.
help financially.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Next meeting also I will try to again request your higher education secretary what action he has taken to improve the infrastructure.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Meanwhile,
Thank you,
again,
sir.
you just think of with collaboration within your campus itself. two, three people, 2, 3 senior faculty, write a joint proposal.
Sir, scientific equipment. Sir.
Write a joint proposal.
Sir, ఏమి మన కొత్త ప్రపోజల్స్ లో పెట్టిండేది
Write a joint proposal to get at least 50 lakhs project.
Sciences నాకు తెలియదు.
Sir, it's almost 56 lakh project, sir. And we have recently, submitted some proposals for getting scientific equipment, sir, also under who, sir? Under DBT Star College, sir. If we get that
Okay.
scheme, our facilities will be enhanced, sir.
Yes, madam. What about the state government support?
Which equipment, sir?
No,
Sir,
state government funding. State government
State
funding.
government funding, we don't get anything, sir.
That's what I spoke
I
to
will,
your.
I will give it
Joint
to the research coordinator, sir. He will explain you better.
Okay, madam.
Last year, we have obtained some laboratory equipment like microscopes and some calorimeters from the departments of chemistry, botany, and zoology, sir. So they are
Okay.
somewhat a basic equipment which is useful, more useful for the degree college students for performing the
Okay.
practicals. This time
Okay.
we are also planning to get some UV spectrophotometer, some like some higher end equipments for which are useful for both practicals and lab.
Okay,
Research
because of corona, we are not inspecting your college. Otherwise, we wanted to visit and take some more decisions.
Excuse me,
The
sir. Then
governing body council, we wanted to visit the physically and take some more measures to improve your college.
yes, sir. Our principal sir want to speak you, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
As earlier we discussed all these things in
Yes, sir.
GB meeting
Yes, sir.
and by phone also. Sir, we are in that way. First
How
we
many
list
are
out the
materialized, sir? How many are materialized now?
we list out the valuable equipment available in all labs.
Okay.
Then we plan to acquire latest equipment to the departments. Meanwhile, we are taking your suggestion to go for multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary research activities.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You please explain about it to the faculty members, especially in science departments.
That's
where
what
it
we are
is,
doing, sir. Since half an hour, now I am just taking one by one how the project proposal was written, why it was rejected, and we are discussing, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then in the next year, next autonomous grant, we will give utmost priority for establishment of common research center.
Yes, sir.
Accordingly, we take your suggestion also whenever you visit to Chittoor or any.
No, sir. Actually, sir, why don't you plan one meeting next month, in the month of April? Why don't you call EC again GB meeting?
Okay.
And we physically will come 1 or 2 people from different places.
Okay. The next
And
GB
we
meet.
will, sir, we will propose some of the things and we will send it to state government of Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, within 2 months, we will plan it to conduct another GB meeting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Further, our college selected as model college in the across in the state.
Sir.
They have
Congratulations.
sanctioned 3.25 crores to this college.
Sir.
We have submitted a proposal to the government of Andhra Pradesh.
Sir.
We are waiting for it, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, now in addition to that, since Corona, you will not be able to conduct any conferences.
Okay.
To get a publicity for your college. You plan to conduct one national conference in biology.
Oh, national conference in biology.
In biology related.
Okay.
so that you invite some people,
Ah,
experts.
okay.
All these proposals will be scrutinized by some of the people in DBT, DST, ICMR, ICR.
Ah, okay, okay.
Some people should visit your college as a
Ah.
guest, deliver
Yeah.
their talks,
Certainly
When
we
they
will,
go back,
yeah,
when
yeah,
they go
certain,
back, they will also discuss about the college in some of
yeah,
the
yeah.
meetings. So last
We sh-
time I have visited Chittoor College, we have gave a lecture, and the facilities are good like that. That's how you have to build a rapport with the
Okay,
organization.
okay, sir. We certainly plan it.
Don't think that this college is very small and the DBT chairman, DST secretary may not reach. Nothing like that.
Okay,
So
okay.
you invite some of the director generals
Ah,
from Delhi
okay,
till Tirupati airport. You can let them come by flight. From there, you
Ah.
directly pick up the vehicle.
okay.
Let them inaugurate the conference. Let them give some keynote address, something like that, and you
Ah.
can show the laboratory facilities. That these are the
I al-
facilities, sir, but we are not getting funding like that. So those people will take a decision.
Okay,
There are some special programs. There are some special programs from DBT and DST,
okay.
TSN.
I already touch in with Indian National Congress Executive Council members. We requested them.
Yes.
We requested them to at least conduct one program at our college.
Yes, sir. That is how you get a visibility in the.
Yeah, yeah. They agreed. Shortly, it will be materialized. Okay. Hmm? Okay, sir.
Sir.
So actually, DBT, we don't have known persons. If you are known persons, you please kindly help us.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will let me see. You
Okay.
planned in the month of November or December. Okay,
Ah.
this year. Still another 6
Ah.
months is there.
Okay.
You just conduct a 1-day seminar, 2-day seminar, 2
Ah.
days national
Okay.
seminar on recent
Ah.
trends in biology, something
Okay.
like that. So some
Sure, sir.
participants will come, some sponsors will be there. Now anyway, you are getting a private industries collaboration.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Let them support for lunch. Let them support for high tea.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So such kind of events only will give you visibility in the society.
Okay, sir. We will do it.
Anything else, sir?
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for the suggestions. One kind request, sir, since there are many participants from various colleges from the entire country, we request you to give some brief suggestions on writing a proposal, good proposals for getting funds, sir, from various agencies.
Madam, this
please.
is what we are discussing.
I mean,
since
I
1
want
hour.
the gist we wanted to sum up, sir, please.
Okay.
Some
Let
tips,
me
please,
tell
sir.
you. The project
Okay.
title should be catchy. It should be very attractive. The objectives what you are proposing, at least 80% objectives you should be able to get achievable. Then some minor equipment, some expendables it should be there. Then outcome should be very clear. That is called the deliverables. At the end of the project, this is going to give you to the society by taking public fund. This is all government is sponsored funding is from our public only. To show that at the end of this project, I am going to publish 10 papers or 5 papers. Filing patent is not the outcome. You have to say that this is the product we are planning going to show it to the end of the project. That is called deliverable. So if that is not there, most of the projects are getting rejected because of this reason. Okay, madam. The deliverable should be very specific in terms of product, in terms of diagnostic kit, or any product should be there at the end of the project, 3 years. Okay, sir. Anything else, sir?
Sir, can you
Hello?
suggest us some funding agencies, sir?
Madam, it is there available,
Sir,
DST,
it is
DBT,
available, sir,
ICMR.
but it
That
is
is
available, sir,
what,
but
that is
for
what,
the feasibility for the degree colleges, we are requesting. Since
that
you are
is
in
what,
that
madam,
field,
in
we need your
Chittoor,
suggestions.
in Chittoor, you have a nearby forest. There are so many new plants are there. You are a botanist. So why don't you select some plants which are having health
No,
benefits?
I'm not asking for the plans and anything, sir. You kindly give the suggestions to participants of various funding agencies that in their respective disciplines that they could choose, please.
Yes, madam. See, I am not a task force member of DBT or DST. I am a totally DRDO scientist. We don't write any proposals outside the DRDO. We are not encouraged at all. Whatever the funding we wanted, we are getting from DRDO. In this regard, you are the best advisor for proposing this. Because DBT, DST, ICMR, these are the funding agencies. Will give
Okay,
you
sir.
projects to the universities and research centers. But our DRDO has a special fund, and we, in addition to that, we give a funding. That funding is also related to our project, our lab mandates. Say, for example, food laboratory. DFRL is in Mysore. The DFRL requires some of the projects which are suitable for food.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, different DRDO projects will have their mandate and they will give a sub projects to others universities. That is again like IIT, IISCs, some top institutes where they can deliver a goods with a short time, within a stipulated time.
Sir, with your kind permission, I shall share your phone number and mail IDs to all the participants, sir. If they have any queries to write a good project, they'll contact you, sir, if you permit us.
Okay, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, you can give
Then I
whatever I
request
know. I have a knowledge. I will give whatever the knowledge
Okay, sir.
I have. I will share.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I request the reporter of this session to submit the report and conclude the session, please.
On behalf of the principal and organizing committee of this webinar, I feel very happy to hear the suggestions of Dr. T. Anand sir. So, in this scenario, we have got clear-cut suggestions how to write a project, a successful project. So even though we have some idea about the writing project works and preparation of the proposals, but this session we have enlightened what are the important key points to make the funding agencies to get mobilize the outcome-based project works only will be accepted by the for the funding purpose. So in this, all the participants or myself and ourselves has to realize that these project proposals must be very clear, indicating the outcome, so which will be benefit to the public and the society in various aspects. At the same time, your suggestions like acquiring the equipment and updating the research laboratories also one of the key points in this session to make ourselves strengthen for the methodology development and giving the update references for the project work also one of the important points which we have learned in this session. So thank you for giving valuable suggestions and making our relays to get successful proposals and submitting for different funding agencies. So thank you very much for all the things. And I hand over to our organizer for the further announcements.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your research experience with our participants. And very kind of you to spare your valuable time with us to give some suggestions. And I also thank the chairperson of this session, Dr. Y. Rajshekar Garu, and the reporter of this session, Dr. LMD Bakshu Garu, for chairing and acting as a reporter to some of this session. And thank you very much. Before we close this session, we have an important announcement for both online and offline participants that in today's quiz, kindly mention your name and your designation, name of the college clearly, how it has to be published in the certificate, please. Hope I am clear. You kindly mention your designation and name of the college clearly,